This is a 99 Whirlpool dehumidifier that I bodged together from two non-working machines. One machine had a good fan motor and a bad refrigerant system, or a bad compressor. It wouldn't build pressure, and the condenser wouldn't get cold, evaporator wouldn't get, evaporator wouldn't get hot, condenser wouldn't get cold. It would just run and run and run, and there'd just be room temperature on both coils. I had another one that had a bad fan motor, but a good refrigerant system. So I combined the two into this. So it looks like a regular old beaten up Whirlpool, but it's got the guts from two different units. Reasons I'm running right now is because it's getting cold enough at night where the ambient drops too much and this thing will freeze up. I'll come in the morning, it'll be a block of ice. I can start it up. Gonna get you close to the compressor. It's got an Umbraco in it. So it starts up, it runs. It's not low in refrigerant because it doesn't make any hissing noises, and I checked it. Okay. It's getting warm already, a little bit warm already, so it's getting some heat. Yeah. So once the ambient gets up to where it's not going to freeze up, it'll get used more. Or if I find a modern one for cheap, I might replace it if the modern ones don't freeze up, because the coils are stacked instead of one on one side, one on the other side, like on these. I can hear the refrigerant falling. Alright, see you guys in the next one.